What is up, everybody? Zach from Redwood Chronicles got another product from EVBASE for the Tesla Model Y Juniper coming to you. This time it's going to be the mud guards or mud flaps. They're like plastic. They're plug and play, super easy. Pop some screws out, pop some clips on. I have been getting some chips just driving Humboldt roads and stuff, kicking up rocks more so in the back and the front. But excited to get these on, just making this car more and more all weatherproof. So don't forget you can use code Redwood at checkout to save, and let's go ahead and get these things open and get them put on. Oh, hi, Rhea. Saying hello. Up, up. Up, up. Hi, what's up there? And then just a quick look at what comes in the box. So the pop clips that you're going to install these with, and a little screwdriver. You got the rear ones or the bigger ones, the front ones, and then a QR code to install link. But if you're watching this video, you're already there. So let's go ahead and get these put on. You're going to pull off this pop clip here, this pop clip right there. This little guy here is you can just hand unscrew this little nut thing. And then you'll use a 10mm socket or wrench, and underneath the car here, hopefully we can see, for dogs, you'll have this nut right here, and you're going to take that off with a 10mm. In case you haven't used these pop clips before, that screwdriver they provided, stick that guy in there, and they'll just pop off. Now we'll go ahead and get those put on. So the first thing you're going to want to pay attention to is this right here, because that's going to need a wrap around this, and that's what's going to keep this sucked in. So if you put this on and it's flopping out, it's because you haven't done this part right. So we'll go ahead and get that part on first here. Tuck it back in there. See how that tucks behind the trim piece of the actual car there. All right, and then we'll go ahead and get the top bolt or nut thing on here, because that will kind of hold it all together here. Use the pop clips that came with the kit. You'll want to use those. You can see here that they're a little bit longer. So that guy's just going to go right back there. None of this needs to be crazy tight, just snug. And there you have it. That's the back installed. Let's look. All right, I think that's as good of a view as we're gonna get, folks. Okay, so we got 2 pop clips, 1, 2. So I'll go ahead and pop these guys off. And there we go. I'm gonna put that far side on first so I know where this thing goes, and then reach that lip around. That's the easier way to do that. Here's the front installed. So you can see kind of why I'm excited about these, all that stuff kicking up there on the paint. I just washed this thing too, so that should help alleviate a bunch of that. And they look really good. I'm super stoked with the way it turned out. All right, guys, that's the install video. Hope it helps you out. Cheers. Don't forget to use code Redwood at checkout. Have a good one.